Where can I find my debit card account number?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about a common question many people have: where can I find my debit card account number? This is a crucial piece of information when it comes to financial transactions, so let's delve right into it.
What is a debit card account number?
Your debit card account number is a unique number associated with your bank account. It's different from your debit card number, which is the 16-digit number embossed on the front of your card. The debit card account number is tied directly to your bank account, allowing you to access funds for transactions.
Where is my debit card account number?
The short answer is, you won't typically find your debit card account number on your debit card. Why is this? Well, it's for security reasons. If your card was lost or stolen and your account number was printed on it, it could potentially be used to withdraw funds from your account.
How can I find my debit card account number?
There are a few ways to find this information. 1. Check your bank statement. Your account number is usually listed on your bank statement. This could be a paper statement mailed to you or an electronic one available through your bank's online banking system. 2. Log into online banking. If you use online banking, you can log into your account. Here, you should be able to find your account number. It might be in the account details or account information section. 3. Visit or call your bank. Lastly, you can visit a branch of your bank or call their customer service. Make sure to have identification ready, as they'll need to confirm your identity before providing you with your account number. Important note: never share your account number with untrusted sources. This number is a key to your banking account and should be kept safe. And there you have it. While your debit card account number isn't directly listed on your debit card, there are still ways to find this information if you need it. Always remember to keep this number secure and only share it with trusted sources. We hope this video has been helpful and answered your question on where to find your debit card account number. Until next time, stay safe and keep on top of your financial journey.